news that's coming in from the Delaware High Court in the United States, which has ruled that most of the $533 million are missing from Byju's Alpha was round-tripped to founder Byju Raveendran and his affiliates. My colleague Anurag Joshi is here with more details. Anurag, put that story into perspective for us, and of course what the Delaware High Court has essentially said, that most of the $533 million were essentially missing from Byju's Alpha. But have we heard anything from Byju's on that development, and how are they reacting to this?
A U.S. court has said that a vast majority of Byju's Alpha funds were round-tripped. The Delaware Bankruptcy Court said in a ruling that Alpha's $533 million of money was round-tripped to Byju Raveendran and his affiliates. This $533 million is part of the $1.2 billion which Byju's Alpha, a unit of Byju, had raised in 2021. And this was through a 5-year Term B loan from U.S. investors. Alpha's funds were not used for legitimate commercial purposes, the ruling said. And Byju's Alpha filed a suit in the Delaware court earlier in 2025 against one OCI Limited, alleging that the $533 million were in fact transferred to OCI and its bank and its principal Rupin banker. The creditors had moved to the Delaware Bankruptcy Court in March 2023 and had successfully taken control of Byju Alpha's assets and also had appointed a chief executive for Byju's Alpha. Byju's Alpha has reached a settlement with OCI, and as part of the settlement, the OCI CEO has submitted that Byju's intention was to move the vast majority of the $533 million to a corporate vehicle in Singapore, which is controlled by Byju Raveendran. The money raised by Byju Alpha, Byju Alpha had earlier had defaulted on the interest payment on this in 2023 itself, and this had become the source of a legal tussle between the creditors and Byju's. Byju Raveendran, in his reply to the court ruling, said that he's denying all the allegations made in the court filing.